Another training. We're a mile away from the loft. We got all the babies. Got a few adults in there like I've talked about before. But let's see how they do. And we're at 1 mile right now. Got the little creek right there. Nice open spot right there. Only thing I'm worried about is that building right there. That's why I'm going to try and aim them towards the tree so they don't land. So I'm going to aim them that way so they have to fly around before they can land on that church. So, all right, let's let them out. Come on. Okay, so they're all out. All right, let's get home before they do. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. They're learning to team together. We're 1 mile, like I said. So let's see. They've been getting home faster and faster each time. So far, every time I've taken these babies, it's been this far. So, you guys have seen each video every time I've taken them. So I'm gonna pause this and then start talking here in a minute. Show you guys a little bit of the drive home. Birds are out, babies are out. I've done this. This is pretty much my first place I take every new bird. First mile is to that place right there. I currently don't see the birds, so they could still be right above the library, or they could be almost home already. I guess we don't know until we see them. My dad is actually currently recording in the backyard of the loft, so this might be a part 2. You'll see my perspective, and then you'll see his perspective. I thought that's pretty cool. He's gonna record from the backyard. I'm gonna record from taking them. So I thought that was a good idea he came up with, so cool. Oh, that's sad. That house right there burnt down. Like last year, you can see the roof is missing. Anyways, sad. Back to the video. So far, I still don't see them. So, like I said, that's a good thing or an okay thing, really, because they are young. I'm not expecting them to be full-blown racers already. I think the average, they're supposed to do a mile every 2 minutes, a mile a minute. I'm not too sure. When they're full-grown adult racers, they're supposed to, I think it's a mile every 2 minutes or a mile every minute, which is insane. But these birds can go an average of 90 miles an hour if they're really, really pushing it. So, so far I don't see them, so I'm probably gonna end this video, and then we'll have the part 2 from my dad's phone. There they are. Just got home, and so did they. Cool. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can get them landing. Alright, I'm gonna set this up here and see if I can get them all dropping.